Hello there, wherever you are. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. My name is Gabriela. Nice to meet you. I am a woman who loves life, a mom who adores her 2 boys, and a wife proud of her husband, and a grateful friend for a bunch of people who I call family. When asked what I do for a living, I usually answer, I'm doing my best to add value to everything I touch. I act as a growth chief officer for my business clients and as growth facilitator for my coaches and my mentees. I'm passionate about growth. I love change and I champion people. I have been delivering growth for 30 years for company I worked for, and I have been living change by serving different industries in different roles, moving across the world and embracing multiple cultures. However, a constant of my journey, the red line, how I encourage my clients as well to look for, is people. The everlasting deep love and respect for people, be it consumer or customer, clients or people on the street, represent my drivers and my motivation. I'm applying this philosophy now in building my own business called GM & Co, a consulting and coaching boutique, which brings me a lot of joy. I am particularly fond of working with women who are not only business champions but societal pillars as well. The coach in me vibrated when I learned about the mission and the values of She Is Mom, and it took me about 2 minutes to decide to sign up as a mentor. If you need clarity on what's next for your career and how to succeed to make a step up, book a session with me. If you feel incomplete professionally but you can't put your finger on what's missing, I can guide you. If you are a people manager who is looking to develop the leadership skills, communication skills, and new ways to motivate and engage your team to increase performance, book a session with me. And ultimately, if you want to upgrade your current self, go through self-actualization process, build a growth mindset and a can-do attitude, you will definitely find value in working with me. Visit She's Mom website and book a session now. I'm so ready to meeting you.